7. Okay, question 7. Now, this is actually no longer in the course content in terms of it's about diabetes insipidus, but the majority of this question is problem solving, so I'm just going to run through it anyway. Okay, the binding of antidiuretic hormone to its receptor on the plasma membrane of kidney collecting duct cells triggers the recruitment of water channel proteins as shown below. So this is exactly the same idea as recruitment of your GLUT4 when you've got insulin. Okay, name the water channel protein involved in this process. This is aquaporin. Aquaporin 2, to be more precise. Mark Scheme was quite happy with just having aquaporin. Name the process by which a response within the cell is triggered by the binding of ADH to its cell surface receptor. This is still course content. Okay, this is signal transduction. Okay. A urine output of greater than 0.05 litres per kilogram of body mass per day is considered diagnostic of diabetes insipidus. The bar graph below shows the urine output over 6 days of a 70 kilogram individual being investigated for diabetes insipidus. During day 3 and 4, the individual was treated with the drug desmopressin, which is a synthetic form of ADH. Okay, total daily urine output in litres, which should be horrifying you. Look at day 1. 10, more than 10 litres per day. Use the data to confirm that a diagnosis is correct for this individual. Okay, so this individual, it says, if urine output is greater than 0.05 litres per kilogram of body mass per day, it is a 70 kilogram individual. So what we're looking for is just 70 times 0.05. Okay, so this 70 kilogram individual at 0.05 litres per day would be 3.5 litres. That's your cutoff. Okay, so what we've got is that on the days that we're not being treated, i.e. 1, 2, 5 and 6, they were over. Here's your roughly where 3.5 is. Okay, they were over 3.5 litres in the day. And that's what you're looking to see, that it was greater than that 3.5. Okay, give evidence from the graph that supports the conclusion that it is an effective treatment. Well, the diagnosis is that if you are producing this 3.5 litres a day, both days when that happened, when they were given the desmopressin, they were below that 3.5. Okay. Oh, there's another bit on this one. There we go. Diabetes insipidus results from failure to recruit water channel membranes to the cell membrane. Identify the cause of recruitment failure in this individual. Okay, so they told you that they gave a synthetic form of ADH, and as soon as they did that, they were okay. So the problem is not that the receptor is there. The receptor is obviously there because when you put a synthetic form in, it works. So what is the issue? They don't produce ADH. Okay, so their issue is just that they're failing to produce it. That's the question.